Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing how I made this cute little card. So let's get started. So we need gesso. So you can take any brand gesso. I'm just taking camel gesso and just applying it onto brush and placing it over on my mat. Make sure you have a crafting mat. I'm just randomly applying my gesso on the craft mat. I'm just misting water onto my gesso. Just don't mist a lot of water, just a less, and then mix it using a brush. You can go in any direction, just random ways. Next I'm taking my Dress My Craft floral oriental paper and placing it over gesso. See how cool this looks. I just wanted more gesso, so placing again my cardstock on the gesso. You can reapply n number of layers, it's up to you. So now I'm quite satisfied. So I have heat dried it. So this is how it looks. Next I'm taking my distress ink. This is abundant coral color in distress ink, and I'm just applying it onto my craft mat. I'm just misting water on my distress ink and I'll take my cardstock and place it over. So I'll repeat this process 3 to 4 times. I'll apply distress ink, apply that ink on my cardstock, heat dry it and repeat it again for getting the multiple colors using just one distress ink. As we have applied gesso, so you can see the reds and pinks are already visible. So I am done with the first layer. Similarly, I'll apply the second layer. What I like about this technique is you just need one distress ink color and you can get multiple colors. This is just because we are layering it many times. Just keep on layering your background cardstock color until you're fully satisfied. So this is how it looks after 4 layers are applied. Now I am taking up my embossing folder. Place my cardstock in between the embossing folder and run it through my Big Shot machine. In using Sizzix Big Shot machine, you can use any embossing machine. Embossing. Now I'll open up my folder and see how magically the background paper has turned out to be. The combination of watercolor effect and wood graining is looking so cool. Now I'm taking up my pre-cut card base and I'll be distressing using the same abundant coral onto the edges. So if you want to see more of new techniques and want to learn more DIYs, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also do like the video. So I am done distressing the edges of the card base. Now I have applied double-sided tape onto the designed cardstock and I'll just place it over onto my card base as I just wanted a 3D effect. So for decor, I am using Craft Destination Center's tag sheet. So I'll just show up the photographs of these sheets. So this is the first sheet. This is Mother's Day sheet and I'm using the love and the heart from this sheet. From this sheet, this is the best friend, that is Friendship Day sheet, and I'll be using this cute little baby. From this sheet, I'll be using your special tag. So I have just placed it. I have not yet pasted. I've just applied double-sided tape on these letters. Now I'm just pasting them. Isn't the background looking so cool? Look at the pinks, reds and a little tint of orange is also visible. So in all, I like this technique because you just need one distress ink, and using just one distress ink, this beautiful background can easily be created. I would like to see if you're recreating it, so don't forget to share it with me. I would love to see them. So this is how the final outcomes look like. Next, I'm taking up this baby which I have already shown and did distressing of the same color on the edges and just applied double-sided tape, and I'll be just placing it in exact between. I'm taking this year special and same with distressing ink. I'll just distress and apply double-sided tape, and I'll be pasting it too. So I just used double-sided tape to give it a little 3D effect. Now I'm taking up this paper doily and just cutting it on the edges. Now I'm just applying a liquid adhesive on the back side of the doily and just placing it onto my card. Taking the remaining part of the doily and just applying liquid adhesive and placing it onto my background. You can use any liquid adhesive as per your choice. Here I am taking regular school liquid adhesive. I'm just placing it underneath the baby as I just wanted a peekaboo kind of thing. Taking remaining part of the doily and just cutting this flower. I'll be cutting 2 to 3 flowers of the same design, as I'll just place them here and there on the card so it looks like a combination. I'm done cutting it. Now I'll take my liquid adhesive and just apply adhesive on the back side of the doily and just place that over onto my background. Now I'm done applying adhesive. I'll paste this underneath the L letter. So just have a closer look how shabby chic it looks. So now similarly I have these flowers and placing it here and there onto the card so it looks color coordinated. On the base it was looking something missing, so I just added another flower onto the base area. Again, I am taking my distress ink and I have these hard cutouts which I'll be distressing using the same ink. The distressing need not to be perfect, I just wanted a little effect. Somewhere I'm just applying a single layer of the distressing, somewhere I'm reapplying the layer 2 to 3 times so that the effect of the shade looks like. Onto some hearts I have applied it 3D foam tape, and on the remaining I have not applied as I didn't want every heart to be 3D. So I'll be just pasting my hearts onto the background. To the ones whom I'm not giving 3D effect, I'm just applying regular glue and pasting it. We are almost done completing our card. So this is a very quick and easy DIY card which you can make. So have a look on the final outcome. So in this tutorial I just wanted to share with you quick and easy technique how you can create your own background. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so don't forget to hit the like button and also share this video with your lovely crafty friends. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you until the next time.